Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look. I'm going to take a look at the euro versus yen. Today's date is July 29, 2024. Some interesting technical developments in that currency pair, so let's get started. I'm going to show you a key area and level for the euro versus yen. You see this blue line right here. This blue line way back here was tested on the dip right here, and we found early buyers. Over here, we got tested on the dip as well. It was also joined by this green line right here. But anyway, this blue line represents the 100-day moving average. And trading last week, this is again the 4-hour chart, the price moved below that blue line and then bounced back higher. And on Friday, the price came right back up to that blue line, maybe a couple pips above that level, and found willing sellers. Those willing sellers also stalled against this level right through here, which happened to be a swing low right here, a swing low right here after the break below that level. Failed right here. We reestablished support on the move to the upside. So that was a key level. And the inability to get and stay above the 100-day moving average, get above that level at 167.93-ish type, and rotate back to the downside is key. It's key for today, and it's key for going forward. As long as the price remains below that level, 167.93, the sellers remain in control. Now, we are down at 166.70, so we are not 120 pips away from that level, but nevertheless, it's a level that you want to pay attention to. Now, adding to that level's importance was on Friday. If you go to the hourly chart and you look at the high price that we saw on that rebound, look at this 100-hour moving average. That 100-hour moving average was also tested and found willing sellers against the level. So not only did the 100-day moving average, but the 100-hour moving average came in play, and that swing area came in play right here near the 167.94 level. And going back in time, you can see the importance of that 100-hour moving average. Look at all those times that the price tested that moving average, found willing sellers, found willing sellers, found willing sellers. So there's a pattern developed, and including today, where the high price came up to that 100-hour moving average and found willing sellers against that level. So guess what? The 100-hour moving average at 167.05 is a closer level of risk now for traders, just by virtue of the fact that it held here, it held here, it held here, it held here, it held here. So if we get above that 100-hour moving average, yes, it tilts the bias a little bit more to the upside here for the euro-yen, but we're still going to have work to do, including getting above the 100-day moving average, getting above that swing level near the 167.93 level that we saw in the 4-hour charts. But if there's one thing that you can take away from technicals, is that if you can find these levels that you can lean against, these levels that show traders' interest from a technical perspective, you can assume that it's going to show trader interest from a technical perspective going forward. And that's a lesson in the euro versus yen. So as long as we stay below those levels, the bias remains to the downside. If we move back above the 100-hour moving average, it tilts a little bit more to the upside, and then we'll see what happens against the 100-day moving average to see if there is a rebound that takes back more control in this currency pair. Absent that, sellers are more in control. That's my look at the euro versus yen. I hope you liked it. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.